Morning guys, in front of me is HUAWEI Pura 70 Pro, and let me show you how to do the fingerprint. So at first open the settings, then find and select Biometrics and password, click on Fingerprint ID then, now enter PIN code, and mark use anyway, like at first pick some better one. This one is just for the tutorial, but let me stay with this one. And now mark device unlock to use fingerprint to unlock your device. Click add fingerprint, tap on OK, and now keep tapping till your fingerprint is fully added. Just place your fingerprint on the sensor, lift it up, and do it till you get information that it is fully added. Well, just a few more touches, I guess. And that's it. Just mark on done, and from now on, you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.